Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bunny puppet using just a paper napkin. I will unfold it once, so it becomes the size of 2 squares. First of all, fold it in half. Next, fold both top halves to the middle. This napkin already has a crease in the middle, so it's easier to fold, but if needed you can mark the middle first. Now let's fold the bottom corners. Fold this part again. Once that's done, flip the napkin over . Fold the bottom corner up. I recommend folding it slightly past the edge above it. Make sure to reinforce all the creases well. And that gives us the base. From the back side, place one finger in the center, wrap the left side over it, and then the right side. At this point you can tape or glue the two ends together, or if you don't have any or don't want to, just tuck one end into the other. Just be gentle so the napkin doesn't wrinkle too much. With that done, go to the other side, insert your finger inside the puppet. I'm holding the back part so it doesn't fall apart. Next, open the front layer to shape the head. Then separate the two top flaps. Now open each one to shape the ears. And that's it! You've got a paper napkin bunny puppet. You can make a few adjustments if you want, but I think it already looks great like this. But you can draw a face on it, add a bit of color. You can also paint the inside of the ears, but all of that is totally optional. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.